A Wake County judge today ordering the release of body and dash cam video connected to a deadly crash in Raleigh that led to 2 state troopers being put on leave. ABC 11 was part of a media coalition asking for that video to be released because we believe you have a right to see what happened. Tyrone Mason died in that crash on Capitol Boulevard back in October. 2 troopers are accused of lying about what led to the crash. Jamise Price was in the Wake County courtroom and has more on the judge's decision.
A judge ordered the release of these recordings in the best interest of the public and the credibility of law enforcement. We're talking the recordings of all law enforcement officers who encountered 31-year-old Tyrone Mason the day of that crash last October. Mason died from his injuries in this early morning crash on Capitol Boulevard, October of 2024. There's now an investigation into the crash and Highway Patrol's involvement. Prosecutors claim Trooper Garrett Marcario tried to stop Mason before he crashed. Documents show the trooper called his supervisor and can be heard on body camera agreeing to not tell investigators that he attempted a traffic stop. Instead, Marcario told investigators he came upon the crash scene. Today, during a hearing, attorneys argued for the release of body cam, dash cam, and any other recordings related to the crash. Raleigh Police Department, whose officers responded to the crash, consented to the release of the video, citing their department's task with investigating the crash. State Highway Patrol objected to the release of the video due to an ongoing internal investigation as well as an SBI investigation.
When we talk about footage that captures the circumstances of potential offenses, potential misconduct, releasing that into the public could indirectly impact and apply pressure to decision makers in different types of proceedings.
If a picture is worth 1,000 words, recorded video and audio has even greater worth in the realm of transparency and accountability. All of this transpired in public, and thus there is no expectation of privacy in these conversations.
Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman was present during the hearing and said the state did not object the release of the recording. Her office has already dropped nearly 200 pending cases involving Marcario and his supervisor due to credibility issues. Both Trooper Marcario and his supervisor Matthew Morrison are on administrative leave, neither present for today's hearing. In Raleigh, Jamise Price, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
Jamise, thank you. And all new here for attorneys for Tyrone Mason's family releasing a statement after today's ruling. They say in part today's decision was an important step forward for Tyrone Mason's family and the people of North Carolina. But we are not done yet, and we will continue to fight for justice every step of the way. So the big news for you watching from home, the video will be released in the days ahead, and you'll see it here on Eyewitness News.